Mayeni and her family behind the cameras, they get along with Mpumelelo and Musamseleko. But when they see the cameras, they started creating drama, not getting along, or maybe they want to trend, they want attention, we don't understand. But behind the cameras, those people are united. Mayeni, Mpumelelo, Musamseleko, Mnini, and Obanzi are one family behind the cameras. But on cameras, they started bring drama, or people we started commenting. Sometimes we are wasting our time, even with Vuyokazi. When she started exposing Mayeni on social media, people we can't believe here. But we think Musamseleko was the one who started exposing Mayeni about Vuyokazi, or Mayeni was supporting Mpumelelo. I think because the Mpumelelo and Vuyokazi, they started fight about to marry the first wife, because the Mpumelelo want Vuyokazi to be the second wife. Thus the fight started. Or Mayeni was supporting Mpumelelo. Why Vuyokazi was explaining, I remember Vuyokazi with her mother, they came to have a meeting, and Vuyokazi said there are three of them, Mayeni, Musamseleko, and Mpumelelo. When they have got a meeting together, we saw that video on Utando Nestembo. They take themselves out, the three of them. Mpumelelo was explaining to Musamseleko that he want to marry a virgin, what. So when they are there with Vuyokazi's mother, they started changing the statement, or they are taking Vuyokazi's side. You understand? So people, we can't believe Vuyokazi if she came without Musamseleko told us about Mayeni, the way they treat Vuyokazi. So those people, they can pretend. Mayeni can pretend like they don't get along, even with the Musamseleko when she is with other wives. Mayeni, when she started seeing Mangwawe, Makumalo, she can pretend like maybe she want like Makumalo and Mangwawe to be to turn to Musamseleko, to turn back to Musamseleko. Because what I saw, Mayeni, she is jealous to see Musamseleko and Makumalo, they get along. What I saw, that's why Mayeni, she can pretend like they are in same page with Makumalo and Mangwawe, but behind the cameras, those people, they are always together. You will see on season 10, you will see, because every time when they have got, or it's family meetings, what the person who knows about it is Macele. Macele knows Mayeni. That's why Macele, she doesn't want to be on same page with Mayeni, because Mayeni want those wives to be against Musamseleko. But after that, to be against Musamseleko got angry to them. Musamseleko, he can got angry to them, but he can choose the person, the best wife, especially Mayeni. Mayeni, if she was wrong or right, Musamseleko always favors here. But other wives, when it comes to Makumalo, because to Makumalo, Musamseleko doesn't care about Makumalo. So, guys, we want to compare. When Musamseleko, when he had a fight with Mayeni, Musamseleko can force himself or to try to fix things. But when he had a fight with Makumalo is taking Mayeni's side or Mangwawe's side. They are on one side. Musamseleko will end up blaming Makumalo than to blame Mayeni. You understand? So Makumalo sometimes have to open her eyes. You can say you are in same page. Even on season 9, we saw Mayeni, Makumalo, and Mangwawe together at family trip. We saw on the therapy session, there are 3 of them. Macele was one with their husband Musamseleko. But behind the cameras, when that show ends, Musamseleko and Mayeni are always together. Macele knows that, guys. Sometimes we can blame Macele. Macele, she doesn't want to be on same page or to tolerate anyone, because she came alone in her marriage. Even you see Makhumalo and Musamseleku are getting along. Mayeni doesn't like Makhumalo because Makhumalo was tolerating Musamseleku.